Good morning. This video is to go over the global enhancements that went live on January 12th. The first enhancement that I would like to cover is what we are calling the Digital Adoption Platform, also known as DAP. DAP is a new in-application guidance tool designed to support users directly within CSU BY. With DAP, users will see step-by-step interactive prompts that guide you through key tasks. These walkthroughs reduce the learning curve, improve accuracy, and provide real-time instructions for completing actions. In this release, you will be introduced to DAP. The key features include in-app click-by-click guidance, embedded walkthroughs for complex processes, interactive site and profile navigation tours, improved user onboarding experience. So as you can see here, it is showing you prompts through DAP. So it's showing you just different steps. So you can click on them when you first go into P2P, and it will just show you these are quick links here, and you can click on them. So this is great if you are a new user into P2P. It will just show you the different features, how to shop. Um, this is now showing you guided buying, which I'll go into a little bit further in detail next. This is talking about punch outs and forms. Um, let's go into an actual form. This is talking about order search. So if you don't know anything more in detail, this is just giving you a quick overview step by step for each section. So we've now completed the tour and we're ready to start shopping. Um, so this is saying, welcome back to CSU BY. This is Pip, our virtual tour guide. So Pip is here to help you out with anything you need. So let's go into guided buying. So the homepage has changed a little bit. So as you can see, our org message has gotten a little bit smaller. So here we have general announcements. So every week we get an email from the core team. So these will now be here. So the last campus uh, announcement came out on January 12th. These are the basically the P2P communications emails this that I send out. So if you click here, this will pull up the email that tells you about the enhancements. So these are just informational emails that tell you a little bit more about updates within P2P. And these are all of the archived enhancements emails. So this takes you to the CSYOU page. And you can upload a photo if you'd like. So we're just going to skip this step. And these are all of the archived emails. So this is just asking you for a few questions. And this is the new CSU by SharePoint page. So if you click here, this will show you all of the historical um, updates. They've only updated January for now. So this shows you like the DAP video here, which is nice. Um, so if you wanted to look into any more additional information, this gives you that all of that information, which is nice. And then here's all of your quick links here on the side. So you've noticed here that all of the punch outs have gone away, and this is what we are calling guided buying. So in guided buying, we are now bracketed into different purchasing buckets. So we are broken out into office and classroom. So if you click into office and classroom, you'll see all of your different office and classroom punch outs. So we have staples, school specialty, and complete book. And then you'll also see your goods and services request if you have, like an office or classroom furniture request or different things like that. So if you go back to the home page, um, we don't want a tour, but if you needed a tour, you can click on Pip and he'll help you out. Let's go into the IT and electronics. So this is just kind of making it easier for you as the campus customer if you don't know which punch outs to use. It's just making it a little bit more streamlined for your shopping and user experience. So if we click into IT and electronics, this will show you all of the IT selections that you have. So we have B&H punch out, PC connection, HP, IRG, SHI, and then you have the IT hardware request form and the IT software request form. So it just makes it a little bit more streamlined for easiness of use. Laboratory, scientific, and medical guided buying. If we click in here, you'll see all of your specific punch outs related to lab, scientific, and medical. So you have Carolina, Fisher, Henry Schein, Medline, Millport Sigma, Thomas Scientific, and then you have your goods and services request. Going back home, in general, we have Amazon Business, goods and services request, and then the independent contractor request. Okay. Hospitality is its own bucket here. So we have the hospitality request form, non-travel. And then the facilities is specifically for facilities requests, but we also have punch outs here. So we have the facilities and construction request, goods and services, and then all of our respective facilities punch outs. So Lowe's, Gray Bar, Gordon Industrial, Fastenal, and Waxy. Going back home, last is the miscellaneous punch out. So we have all of our other forms here. Request to close, supplier extension or re-invite, supplier maintenance request, direct pay, and payment for unauthorized purchase. Okay, and then all the rest of your other homepage is unchanged below. So we have any of your safe searches here, approvals here, and then supplier searches down here. If you ever get stuck, you can also use the search bar down here to search manually for things. Oops. And it will pull up, new supplier, request new supplier, search for supplier request. So this is also a handy tool. If you don't know where to go, you can also use the search bar here. Okay, so those are just the general updates for the change of the homepage in CSU Buy. If you have any questions, again, you can email the procurement group or open up a ticket here using ServiceNow. Thank you.